Hi there, I'm Zoe Clarke from RosterElf, and I'd love to show you how to reconnect RosterElf to Xero. Follow along and we'll have your payroll link restored in moments. How to access payroll settings. Click Settings in the top RosterElf menu to open your account options. Select Payroll to display your payroll settings. How to refresh the Xero connection. Find the refresh icon at the top center of the payroll page. Click the icon to restart the link between RosterElf and Xero. How to reconnect in the pop-up. When the pop-up appears, locate the Connect button in the bottom right corner. Click Connect to begin the reconnection. How to choose your Xero organization. Follow the prompts in the Xero window. Select the organization you wish to link with RosterElf. How to finalize the connection. Complete the Xero prompts to confirm the organization and finish reconnection. Wait for RosterElf to display a success message before closing the window. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, our friendly support team is just a message away. Happy rostering!